So that's fret buzz. Caused by the frets raising. Not being all level with one another. So to fix this, you can go through and you can find where they're raised and seat them back down. You can find where it's not so level and they are seated properly, and you can file them down. But this guitar, the fretboard is a bit worn, so it's pretty well time to replace the frets. Now the trick is to gently remove the neck of the guitar from the body. Don't want to yank it or anything, because you might cause damage to the body of the guitar or even the neck. If you're going to sand the fretboard down, you also want to remove this lock nut. So we just place this in here, line it up, and then we use a nice little clanky jig, slide it under there and clamp it. It's hard to do one-handed.